The Oraimo SpaceArc may look loud with all the glossy, flashy, and futuristic vibe, but as someone who loves good earbuds, I know it goes just beyond looks. Let's talk about the sound quality, the core quality, the battery life, and everything you need to know about this guy. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. On the Oraimo Nigeria website, this Oraimo SpaceArc is priced at 59,900 naira. For my viewers outside Nigeria, that is roughly $39 as of time of making this video. Looking at the design and the battery performance of this guy you are getting, I would say the price is fair for this open hairstyle like this one. And of course, you can use my discount code BRACKET to get it cheaper. Whether you are in Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, or Nigeria, this code will work for you. It doesn't expire, so you can use it to shop as much as you want. Thank you. Moving over to the unboxing, if you are one of the early buyers of this Oraimo SpaceArc, you are going to get a Burna Boy figure, just a very small one, included in the package for you. And honestly, it looks cool. The Oraimo SpaceArc Earbuds comes in just one color, and that is glossy silver. Inside the box, the experience is familiar. You are greeted by a small leaflet with a message from Odogu himself, Burna Boy. Next is the welcome guide. You can go through that to get yourself familiar with the earbuds and how it works. You are also getting a short USB-A to Type-C charging cable, and lastly, the SpaceArc Earbuds themselves, neatly wrapped up in a plastic bag. Before you start using it, please make sure you charge the case fully for the best performance from day one. At first glance, the charging case of this Oraimo SpaceArc is a medium-sized, shiny, oval-shaped reflective case. For once, I asked myself, who told Oraimo to make this case a mirror? Because honestly, I can check my face in it, and if you get it, you will know what I mean. That aside, this is also a fingerprint magnet. One touch, one fingerprint. You need an handkerchief or something to wipe this guy and keep it clean. And also, mine has gotten some scratches underneath it just because I've been keeping it on my table or in my pocket. Now, this is what I would suggest. If you are going to be using this guy like everywhere on the go, I would suggest to get a generic pouch for it. It is made from plastic material, not metal. Don't let the shiny body deceive you. It is not metal. It is also lightweight, and the total weight of this guy is 97 grams. On the lid, you will see the Oraimo X Burna Boy branding, and at the back are the specs and certifications of it. Behind it is the USB-C port for charging it up, and at the front is a subtle place green LED indicator. The green LED blinks when the battery is below 20%, and it stays solid when it is 20% to 100%. So I wish Oraimo used the usual green, orange, red system that we are all used to, but it is what it is. Opening the case, you see the beautifully curved earbud sitting perfectly in the charging case. I like the orange LEDs around the earbud placement, and you can even customize these in the Oraimo sound art to breathing, twinkling, or static. There is a reflective mirror inside the lid of this charging case. Probably Oraimo put it there for fashionistas and ladies who care about their looks on the go. For me, I'm not one of them. A closer look at the earbuds themselves, you notice that they come with Oraimo branding and the Burna Boy name on it. Now, I have to tell you that it is not that too long, and the silicone material around it that makes it look like gray, that is the gray part of it, is actually silicone. So you are not going to feel much of heaviness on it. I've used this guy for 4 days, and after 4 days, I can tell you for free that these guys feel solid and cool. Pairing of this guy is fast and straightforward. Thanks to the Bluetooth version 5.4, you can get up to 11 meters of stable connection in an open space. And the Oraimo SpaceArc also supports SBC and AAC codecs, which means you can connect it to your iPhone, Android, PC, or Mac. Whatever system you are using, I'm pretty sure it's going to work for you. It also comes with 10 minutes auto shut off, which means if you do not connect this guy to any device around you, within 10 minutes, it's going to shut off, thereby saving you battery life. Now, one impressive feature about this Oraimo SpaceArc is the dual device connection, meaning you can connect it to two devices at the same time. Like if you are using two smartphones, you can connect it to two smartphones. If you are using a phone and a laptop, you can connect it, no problem. I've actually tested it and it works. It works with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, with my Samsung S22 Ultra, and with my MacBook. Smooth experience all the way. You need to activate the dual connectivity feature on this guy, because if you don't activate it, it's not going to work. It's not turned on by default, so you need to turn it on the Oraimo Sound app. When it comes to the comfort side, the Oraimo SpaceArc are very comfortable. You won't be disappointed. I mean it. They are very lightweight, they'll sit securely in your ears, and they'll stay comfortable even after hours of use. If you are a first-time user of this guy, I have to be honest with you, you are likely to feel slight soreness at the tip of your ears, like this tip of the earlobe, okay? You are going to feel slight soreness for maybe 1 to 2 hours. Now, not everybody is going to feel that, but for those that is going to feel that, just know that this is going to fade away quickly. As you keep using it, your ears will adjust and you are good to go. Single tap on these guys will do nothing, which is good. So there's no accidental pause or play. When you double tap it, either the left or the right earbuds, it's going to pause your music or pause whatever you are playing with the phone. Now, when you triple tap the left, it's going to skip backwards, and when you triple tap the right earbud, it's going to skip forward. Now, you can actually change all this in the Oraimo Sound app, just as I said earlier. So if you want to change that, just go ahead and change it. Now, here's the fun part. It has Burna Boy voice prompt in them. So when you are switching modes or you are pairing or your battery is low, you'll be hearing Burna Boy say it himself. So if you hear something like pairing, connected, battery low, game mode, power off, all by Odogu himself. At the battery department, the battery capacity of this Oraimo SpaceArc earbuds is 85 milliamperes for each of the earbuds and a monstrous 750 milliamperes for the charging case. Oraimo claims that this guy can last you for 8 hours of listening time with additional 28 hours from the charging case. During my testing, I got 7 hours, 44 minutes on a single charge and 3 full top-ups from the charging case with about 20% juice left. And that is an outstanding performance. And the good side of this guy is that when you look at the Oraimo Sound app, like you are watching it closely, you'll be seeing the battery percentage in 11%. It's not like before that it will just be draining from 90 to 80 to 70 to 60 to 50. Right now, you are going to be seeing this guy draining from 1%, like 89, 88, 87, 86. It will be dropping like that. Though you are not going to get exact percentage on the earbuds, but as they are dropping, you are seeing them in real time. The earbuds can charge from 0 to 100% in 40 minutes using the charging case. And if you want to charge both the earbuds and the charging case together, it's going to take you around 2 hours, 30 minutes using a 10 watts adapter. And when it is fully charged, the LED at the front, that is the green LED, will go off. Simple and clean. Call quality is above average. See, with the 4 microphones on these guys, your voice will stay clear on both regular call and video calls or WhatsApp calls. You have nothing to worry about. Even in noisy environments, background noise is reduced, though it is not completely, but your voice remains front and center. At the sound quality department, these little guys here surprised me. Right out of the box, they are really loud with almost no distortion, even at maximum volume. But honestly, I don't recommend using it as maximum volume. I don't want you to have difficulties with your hearing. Okay, so what I would suggest you use it is around 40 to 50%. Just use it around that volume and you are good to go. You are still going to hear your environment, because that is one of the main reasons why they made it open ear design, just for you to be aware of your environment while you listen to your music, make your calls, and do your stuff. Unlike your regular earbuds, these guys will give you that stereo effect, making your audio feel more open. Though some of the bass are naturally lost to the environment because of the open ear design, but not much. The dynamic drivers in them will keep pumping out more of the bass. Now, the vocals are clear, the bass is present, the treble is lightly elevated, giving you that thick and enjoyable sound overall. Now, if you switch over to Burna Boy's Tune EQ, that is the mode on the Oraimo Sound app, you are going to notice that the sound will start getting hairy, a little bit hairy, which works mostly for Burna Boy's kind of music, not all kind of music. For me, I just want the Have It bass mode. I like the Have It bass mode, and that is what I've been using. If you are someone like me that listens to all genre of music, like classical, hip hop, and every other stuff like that, then I would just say you should stay with the default sound preset. Or you can tweak the EQ inside the Oraimo Sound app and suit it to your taste. For casual listening, gym sections, or podcasts, this Oraimo SpaceArc will deliver. Now, I got a question from someone asking me if it has noise cancellation. There is no active noise cancellation on this guy. I know some of you expected it, but no, it doesn't work that way. Active noise cancellation requires a seal design, and that will help you to block out the noises and do some algorithm stuff in it. The design won't allow it. So no ANC here, no active noise cancellation. And honestly, it is not needed for this kind of earbud, open style earbud. I hope you understand. Gamers are not left out. Now, I told you guys earlier that if you hold the left earbud for 2 beeps, you are going to switch to the game mode. You hear Burna Boy saying game mode. Now, this will help you to reduce the latency and have better sync in gaming or even in action movies. I've tried it with Call of Duty, PUBG, streaming on Netflix and Showmax, and this guy was manageable. So you can use it. Before I round up this review, I have to tell you that the Oraimo SpaceArc also comes with IPX5 rating, meaning it is sweat-proof and splash resistant. Perfect for jogging early in the morning or afternoon, for your workout where you'll be sweating, or a little bit of shower or rain. You have nothing to worry about. But if you are going for a swimming, please don't take it there. Whether you want to be pouring water, like a lot of water on yourself, please remove it and store it in a cool, dry place. It is for you. If you are someone that doesn't like things going into your ears, like you don't like the regular earbuds that you have been getting from Oraimo, then this Oraimo SpaceArc is for you. If you want something super comfy for all day use, get this Oraimo SpaceArc. And also, if you want to be aware of your environment or your surroundings while you are listening to your sound, this Oraimo SpaceArc, it will get the job done for you. It is a solid pick, if you ask me. Just go for it and you are good to go. Bye for now. Peace.